Hi everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can create a new account on your Instagram app. So just go on this right corner down icon, then your profile will be open. On the right top corner you can see three line icon. Just press there, go on setting and privacy option. Here when you scroll down you can see add account, just tap on it. Here you can see the option of create new account. The option choose username is already given here. You can choose any kind of username you would like to. Select next. Then you can keep any password you would like to. So tap next. Then the option is given here add new phone or email. Just press on it and keep your mobile phone number, or instead of that you can also keep your email ID. Choose next. So you can simply choose on continue or skip if you like. I am skipping this process. You can add profile photo if you wish, but I am skipping this process. This is how your new profile will be created. So this was it guys. If you like this video, then do like the video. Feel free to comment down, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thank you.